Hi, I am Afia. Welcome to another DIY tutorial. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. In today's DIY, we will be making a tree dream catcher. The material required for this DIY is plastic ring, scissors, beads, thin jute yarn, comb and glue. Step 1 is wrap the jute yarn around the ring. Step 2 is to tie equal length jute yarn knots on the ring. Step 3 is to turn half of the knots on the inner side of the ring. Step 4 is to braid the tree with inner threads inside the ring. Step 5 is to add beads and tie the knots. Step 6 is to fasten the knots with glue and knead the edges of the knots. Step 7 is to make the knotted patterns of the threads on the outer side. Step 8 is to comb and entangle the jute yarn ends. Dreamcatcher is ready to hang on the wall.